Hi everyone, let's get ready for 5-step sailboat using geometrical shapes. Step 1, draw a rectangle. I am taking 10 centimeters length and 3 centimeter width. Now mark a point at 2 centimeter from your left and 2 centimeter from your right. Now just connect the left up corner to this dot below and the right corner to the dot below. Step 2. Draw a straight line for 12 centimeters and then create a triangle connecting the corner of the boat. Now, step 3. We are now drawing the sail of the boat. So, a slight curved line from top towards the bottom. Four, erase the extra lines that we have to get the exact shape of the boat. Step 5, the final boat is ready. So let's just shade. Using our pencil, we shade the boat. The final boat is ready. I have used a A4 sheet and these measurements are for the A4 sheet. You may change the measurements according to the size of the paper you are using. Happy drawing!